this is the Breville Espresso machine, and we've had it for almost 3 years now, and I'll just show you kind of what it is and how it works. So of course we're starting here with the power button, the grind amount, and you can adjust this based on how small you prefer your coffee beans. And the setting right here is the ground size, and this is how you adjust that as well. And then coming back to the front, buttons is the filter size, single and double. This is how big you want your coffee to be. So usually I go with the double. I do like my coffee strong. Single would be like for 1 cup. Moving on, we can go ahead and grind the coffee beans. Yes, it does grind the coffee beans. So you put the coffee beans in there and go ahead and press this. And it will stop on its own once it's done. And this is kind of the tricky part. Sometimes it's a little too high, so you kind of want to make sure you're not spilling too much. And it does come with this, and it's magnetic, so it comes easily out, and it's very nice for aesthetic purposes. You kind of want to mash it in there. All right, and this goes right in here, and get your cup. And so as far as this, I do press the double since I have the double. What it's doing. There you can see the pressure. The smell at this point of coffee is unbelievably good, and this will definitely start to wake you up in the morning. And this looks so nice. The foam, I love it a lot. All right, moving on, we're gonna go ahead and do our creamer or whatever you prefer. And right here is where you would go either with water if you wanted to add water, and here's the steam part. And just give it a minute. So it builds enough pressure to start. You want to give it about a minute just to make sure it's all pressed nice. And I'm not the best barista in here, but this makes it really, really simple for an everyday person. So I have reached my desired craft level. Do something that is different. Obviously I'm not a barista, but there we are, a perfect cup of coffee made by the Breville Espresso machine.